From the enormity of evil. Ang bigat.
Oo nga.
Let's go to goodness. Ikwento mo na yung kay Pope Francis.
Well, si Pope kasi hindi ba bumisita siya sa Pilipinas noong January 2015. You were there, di ba? On the papal plane. And I was assigned to cover him in Tacloban. But then there was a storm.
Yes.
Binilisan nila yung...
Komunikado ka na.
Actually, hindi sa Tacloban. Hindi ako sa Tacloban. Somewhere in Eastern... Somewhere...
Nasa Palo ka. Di ba nasa Palo?
Nasa Palo. Oh, I was in Palo Leyte. Si
No,
Pope...
but there was a storm.
Yeah, they beat it
hinahabol namin yung storm.
Yeah, oo.
Kaya napaikli yung time sa Tacloban. Kasi nag-i-insist ang piloto, lipad na tayo.
Oo,
Okay,
di ba
sige,
sa
sige.
Tacloban lang kayo napunta, no? So we were waiting
Palo.
sa Palo.
Sa Palo, oo.
Dumaan siya,
Oo,
pero hindi
mas-
ko na... Talagang mabilisan
Yes.
lang. Sabi ko, pambihira naman ito. Lahat ng buong preparation, I was the one leading the preparations, the coverage. Dumating siya, lahat ng Rappler reporter, nakita siya araw-araw dumadaan sa harap nila. Sa Nunciature, sa Taft Avenue. Paulit-ulit, nagsawa na sila. Ako, wala. Ni isa. Sabi ko, ano ba naman itong nangyaring ito? Pero, okay lang naman kasi at that time I was also dahil pag may ganyang nangyari kasi as a journalist hindi ka po pwedeng ito lang yung kaya ko cover ko hindi nangyari, okay, wala na, uwi ka na ng luhaan. Lagi kang may iisipin paraan na how do I make this better. So nag-interview ako ng mga tao na how do you feel about it, yung mga ganon. So we decided to make it a more people-centric coverage. Ganyan naman kasi pag journalist, pag naiskupan ka na, gawa mo na lang ang paraan niya. But this people-centric coverage, no? Ganyan. Medyo kailangan
Color stories ka na lang.
Sidebar
ka na lang.
Diskarte ka na lang.
Oo, pero sinasabi ko na sa estudyante ko na ang mga journalists, it's also the discipline of fake it till you make it. Nawalan ka, huwag mong pahalatang nawalan ka. You still gain something. So, ganon. Then, hindi talagang nagulat na lang ako na a decade later, I had the privilege of joining our boss, Maria Ressa. She was invited by the Fondazione Fratelli Tutti last year to join one of their conferences. And then, meron siyang slot for a +1. Text siya sa akin, Paterno, do you have a
Italian visa.
a Schengen visa? Sabi ko, naaamoy ko na kung ano ito. Wala pa, Maria, but I can get one. Ganyan. And
Come
then,
hell or high water, I'm getting
nakakuha nga ako, last minute yun Mundi ka na naman. The flight was 10 p.m. Wala pa akong visa umaga. Wala pa akong visa. Minadali na lang yung visa. Nag-appeal ako sa embassy. Dumating ang visa ko 10 a.m. of the same day. Nung mamimiss ko na naman tong si Pope. At that time, pagdating namin doon, we attended the meetings and then meron palang opportunity, meron palang private audience with the Pope. Akala ko naman, yung mga Nobel winners lang ang lalapit kasi syempre naman Pope yun sino ba naman ako. Yun pala, lahat pala kami, all 200 people in the room ay papalapitin kay Pope. And then there was no time limit. Ikaw na lang mahihiya dahil Pope yun ikaw naman. Chinika mo pa tungkol sa... So, I have may props na naman ako. So, I have it here.
Sino sinabihan mong mag-video?
This is the official Vatican print.
Kala ko yung kapitbahay mong taga South Africa na kung ano man.
This one is the official Vatican print. Ayan. Ito.
Ikaw yan,
Ako ito. Kinausap ko.
Mukha kang pare.
Tapos,
Reverend Paterno.
I showed him the Rappler app.
the app.
Nag-promote
Ganyan
sa
din,
Papa.
ganyan din ang para-paraan ng mga journalists. Pero hindi ko, I just really wanted to show him na please bless my family, my friends, and our news website, Rappler, in Italian. Tapos, binless
Sabihin mo nga
niya.
in Italian.
Binless niya. Hindi ko na maakalain na ibe-bless niya. So, sabi ko, wow, yung sinasabi natin na nasa front seat ka, front seat of history, I think this was one of those moments na parang, yes, journalism can be very scary, but there are lots of rewarding moments
Oh.
na hindi natin alam, mauulit na naman dahil a year later, abay na-invite na naman kami ni Maria sa Vatican. So Maria was invited to speak at the Paul VI Audience Hall, and then I was invited to speak in a smaller audience dun sa Rome for the Jubilee of Communicators. Ito na naman, may audience na naman with the Pope. Sabi ko, now, may narinig
naman
kasi
ang
ako,
pabeblisan
may
mo?
narinig kasi ako, may narinig akong tip. Si Pope daw, kapag narinig na Pinoy ka, tuwan-tuwa.
Talaga?
Oo.
So, hindi
Kaya,
ka na nag-Italian.
no, nag-Italian pa rin ako. Lumapit ako. Santo Padre, mi chiamo Paterno. My name is Paterno.
No, we
Hindi mo
understood.
na-
Ikaw naman.
Naintindihan yung Italian na pinag-aralan.
Tapos pagkasabi ko pa lang ng second line, sono Filipino. Hala, nag-light up yung mukha niya. And tapos sabi ko, baka papaalisin na ako. Hindi pala. May sasabihin pala siya. And tandang-tanda ko yung sinabi niya. Sabi niya, Filipino, mi ricordo Tacloban. I remember Tacloban. 17 milioni persone a Manila and the 7 million people in Manila. Yun yung dun sa kanyang PayPal Mass sa Luneta. Sabi ko, wow, for a man like him to remember the name Tacloban, ang dami na niyang napuntahan, it really said a lot.
It made a mark.
Ayun nga lang, ito naging problema ko.
Ano?
May sinabi pa siya.
Ano?
Mabilis yung kanyang pagsalita.
Hindi mo nang ano.
Ngayon, sabi ko, kung Italian teacher ko ito, pwede kong sabihin na yung Italian teacher ko, pag mabilis na salita, Signorina, puoi ripetere, per favore? Can you repeat, please? Alam nga namang, Santo Padre, puoi ripetere, per favore? So, ang nakuha ko sa sinasabi niya, he was asking me about his shoes in Tacloban.
His shoes?
Oo. Ngayon, dumating sa point na he was really asking me, tingin mo ilan yung dala kong sapatos? Isa o dalawa? Tapos, akala ko naman, it's a rhetorical question kasi, you know, you're the Holy Father. And ang dami pang nakapila. Alangan namang i-engage mo pang isang Pilipino na hindi mo naman kilala. Hala, ganyan siya. Due? Uno, due. Uno, due scarpe. Santo Padre, due. Ganyan. Tapos nagkwento siya ng nagkwento. Hindi ko naintindihan yung mga sinasabi niya. Pero as I said a while ago, you know, while journalism is the discipline of verification, it is also the discipline of fake it till you make it. Santo Padre. And then,
Santo Papa na yun.
oo. Tapos tinuloy ko na lang yung aking, may prepared, spills ako na, ganun pa rin. Pray for my family, my friends, ganyan. Tapos sa huli, nagmano ako sa kanya. Nung nagmano ako, kitang-kita sa camera yung tuwan-tuwa siya. Yung tumawa talaga siya nung nagmano ako. Siguro alam niya na it's a Filipino trait. So yun nga, palagay ko baka kasi yung iba natatakot magiging journalist. Ang dami ring mga ganyang rewarding moments na akala mo you miss the Pope dati, biglang makikita mo na. As long as you continue.
Meron din akong Pope Francis story. So, ano ba to? So, sinabihan kami na, okay, Pope is visiting and there is a chance that the Vatican press office will allow Filipino journalists to accompany. Because yung Vatican press office, ang nandun, yung mga reporters from all over the world who are assigned there, okay, sila lang yung sumasama sa kanya sa mga biyahe niya. So, it had never happened before. Pero first time ever, kasi nga they recognize this, the Philippines and the Pinoys are Pope Francis crazy, ganon. So they said, okay, so CBCP on sina Chito Tagle. O they will choose one reporter from each network. So they chose me, and then si Cara David for GMA, si Babe, I forgot her name, from Channel 5, and then si Lito Zulueta for Inquirer, and Joe Torres, and then there's another guy. Basta we were 14 or 15 journalists, and then we were told na, okay, so mag-apply ng Shenzhen visa, and blah, 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 ganun. And then, akala namin na, so syempre, manggagaling siyang Rome, tapos dadaan ng Colombo, Sri Lanka. So akala namin, dito namin siya sasalubungin. Oh, no. You're all going to fly to Rome, kasi susunduin niyo siya dyan, sasamahan niyo siya sa Colombo, then Manila, then Tacloban, Manila. So akala namin, from Manila, okay, we stay here na.
Uwi na.
Oh, no. Ihahatid niyo pabalik ng Vatican si Pope. So you fly again to Rome, ganon. So, and then, pinag-recollection kami. Tapos si Chito Tagle yung nag-recollection sa amin.
Prepare pa kayo.
Oo, talagang prepare.
Ecclesiastical GRO duty.
Yeah. Tapos nandun si Tita De Villa. Tapos, ako kasi, pag Pope Francis or mga Catholic stories, gano'n, I'm always I get emotional and very moved and gano'n. And then, kausap ko si Tita De Villa. And then I said, Ma'am, I feel so lucky na makakasama ako sa ganito. Pwede namang hindi. And then she goes, Pia, you were chosen. Ganun. Wala na. Ganun. So, ayan na, yung biyahe, ganun. And then, yung first encounter namin sa kanya was from the flight from Rome to Colombo. So, and he always does that. In every flight, he will greet the journalists. So, lalabas siya, press con, or 3 questions. He'll answer everything, anything and everything. And that's where he gives his most controversial statements usually. Tapos, iikutan namin kami lahat. So, mag-go one by one, hello, gano'n. And then, natataranta kami lahat. Kaming mga Pinoy. Kasi yung mga foreign nationals kasama namin, mga sanay na mga yan. Taranta kami. And then, di ba, normally, journalists, may spills ka, read, you know what to say, mga gano'n. And then, oh my God, what am I going to say? Parang gano'n. And then, naalala ko, nga pala, bumili ako ng 3 dosenang rosaryo sa St. Peter's. Papabless ko na lang. Gano'n. So, pinabless ko. So, may pictures, gano'n. So, and then, yun nga, yung handshake, yung pabless, and gano'n. So, wala lang. Parang, and then, parang sayang naman. So, pero we were all already very grateful na we got to meet him na there. Tapos, so, from Colombo to Manila, Tacloban. So, yung biyahe na yon, yung ang feeling nga namin, and I described it in my story, when we were taking off from Tacloban, the plane, the typhoon was literally right behind us. As in, pag ganun namin, eto na, parang ganun. And then, naalala ko yung, kasi before that, we were almost gonna cancel the flight to Tacloban. Hindi na siya dapat pupunta. He insisted, no, I'm going to Tacloban. I don't care what you have to do, we're going to Tacloban, parang ganun. Tapos dumaan kami ng, yung mga mabilisan, gano'n. Tapos Manila, gano'n. Tapos, eto na, akala namin, that was our first and only encounter with him. And then, yung Manila to Rome flight, sinurprise kami ng Vatican Press Office, sabi sa amin, okay, the 14 Filipino journalists, you're going to meet the Pope. This time, you're going to go to the front of the aircraft. You will get to sit with him for like 5 to 7 minutes, okay? So lahat kami, syempre, at that time, parang, we'll bring our phones so that we can do selfie, gano'n. No, don't bring your phone. So parang, parang, life-changing moment. How can we, No, there will be a Vatican photographer to take your pictures. Believe me, sabi ni Matteo Bruni, you won't want to waste your time taking pictures so that you can, enjoy the moment, relish the moment, parang gano'n. So yan, so we sat beside him one by one, tapos, parang konting small talk lang, parang medyo nahihiya din ako, parang ang dami-daming tao who want to meet him, parang I don't want to take up his time, parang gano'n. I just showed him picture of my family, pa-bless, gano'n. Then I asked him if I could hug him, embrace him. I said, oh yes, of course, gano'n. Tapos I didn't even realize na he had nag-bless, binines niya ako na gano'n. And then, so the pictures came out, tapos, yun na, ang ganda ng pictures. Kaya pala sinabihan kami na, huwag na kayo mag-isip ng magpa-selfie, mga ganon. And then, parang, sabi nga, parang, ang swerte ko talaga, di ba? Parang sa lahat ng, di ba, as journalist, di ba? War, conflict, kung ano-anong nakukover mo, kung ano-anong katarantaduhan na cover mo, di ba? And then, you're lucky enough to get to meet the Pope and spend time with him and be in his presence, di ba? Parang, it was such a, talagang, parang, blessing, parang gano'n. Tapos I remember one of my reports, it was always my lifelong dream to go to the Vatican, to go to Rome, and I just said, I've always wanted to come here, but finally I'm here, parang gano'n. And then, kinikilabutan ako, sabi ni Pope sa Tacloban, I'm here, I'm here. Parang that's your...
Nag-apologize pa siya.
Yeah, but that's the biggest expression of love na you don't have to say or do anything. You're just there, yung presence, parang gano'n. Ayun, so talagang mahal na mahal niya talagang Pilipinas. And that's why they made the exception na Filipino journalists will accompany him. So, ayun, yung mga memento, tama na ako parang
Okay,
okay,
may description sila sa Pilipinas tuwing pumupunta ang Pope, home court ng Santo Papa ang Pilipinas. Home court yan lagi. Di ba pag pag home and away basketball, pag nasa home court ka punong-puno. Kala mo Vatican ng home court, hindi. Pilipinas ang home court ng
Yeah.
You led the coverage of the Inquirer.
Kay JP2.
Which one? 95?
95. Ano yun Don ng may radyo pa nun And I had the handle Papa 1.
Oh, talaga? Because of the Pope?
Siguro dahil nakita nila adik ako sa Santo Papa. So
Papa
I
1.
covered I was a sports writer pero I volunteered to cover the Pope, and then I covered all the pre-event press conferences. So lahat ng story ng Inquirer before that. And then yung main story before dumating siya. Kaya
Papa 1.
actually may idea ako dito Parang si Paterno 1995.
Papa 1.
Papa 1. Tapos Papa 2.
Isa radyo
Kasi radyo Papa 1 ganyan.
Code name.
Parang yan ang gusto namin tawag sa'yo.
Wow.
Nice.
1995.
Ilang taon ka niyan?
Hirap naman ng math mo. 63, 95, 32.
Wow.
Tama bang math ko?
30
Meron
years
din
ago.
akong ID na ganyan. Pero nandito siya kasi pina-frame ko na lahat ng ID ko hindi ko dala. Kasi it's this one. It's 35 years of IDs. It's somewhere here in the middle. Same.
Alam mo,
Para
sa pang
lang yan.
sidelight ng ID na to, Kodak pang sponsor. Nasaan ang Kodak? Wala na yata ang Kodak. Di ba? Yan ang sidelight. Yan, official photographer. Official
May ganun
Ay, sorry. Ito pala yung pictures that the Vatican
Ayun.
photographer took. So this one. But it's on the wall kasi of my blue room So, ganon. So, 6 yun. Wala
Wow,
na. Ito na yung
All
pinaka-treasured niya. Ito na yung pinaka-
Ano 2015 na-cover din ako.
Ay, oo nga.
Pero dyan hindi na.
Oo.
Na lang ako. Singit lang ako nung sa 2015 nag-cover ako dahil pinagbigyan nila akong mag-cover. Nung nagpunta yung Santo Papa sa UST.
UST, ang ganda ng mask.
Oo. Tapos, parang yung kay Paterno nun I was going to go back sa press room. Pinagalitan ako dahil late ako na So, sa manloob ko, pinalakad nila ako doon is the street on Espanya. So, naglalakad ko. Dalawa lang kaming reporter sa manloob ko na ba't hindi ako makapunta doon sa gitna sa Santo Papa. Yung pala biglang dumating, eto ni sasakyan ng Santo Papa sa harap namin. And nakuha ko siya sa YouTube, nasa yung YouTube channel ko, iisa lang ang laman nun yung kay Santo. Dumaan siya sa harap namin, dalawa lang kami. Hindi ko mapalabas dito dahil nagmumura ako nun. Nagmumura ako na nakita ko yung Santo Papa na gano'n. Tapos kumaway siya ng So sabi ko, yun na nga, minsan hindi mo masabi, di ba?
Serendipity yan.
Hindi,
Talagang,
pinalipat kami, ayaw sa maloob mo. Yung pala, good things come to those who wait.